Hello everybody, here we are in sunny Ardrossan in our new boat. It's a Bavaria 34 and we're having such a fun time just before Christmas. Here we are, and we're going to go round and check the ropes because one of them chaffed through yesterday and we had to replace it. So we're just going to keep a close eye on everything from now on, because this lovely weather we're having, this lovely Christmas weather we're having, is going to last for, well, forever, according to the weather forecast. So here we go, take a turn around and check everything's okay. Come on, Uncle John, let's go. We'll sort that spring out. Do that. Oh my god. Wind instrument's working. I think I'm going to go back in now and pour more tea. I don't know if you're on it, Nessie. Nessie loves a bit of bleak weather. He's been camping out in this and enjoying himself thoroughly. Dearie me, being a Loch Ness monster, Nessie quite abhors nice weather, sunny weather. He says this is nice weather. Anyway, I'm going down for breakfast now. See ya!